I'm Lieutenant Commander Ian Tipple from the Royal Navy. I'm the Executive Officer of 17th Squadron here at Edwards Air Force Base. Previous experience includes flying the F-18 Super Hornet with the United States Navy, and prior to that I spent 8 years as an air warfare instructor on the Sea Harrier. So I'd like to introduce you to the F35B Lightning, which the UK have purchased. The F35B is unique in that it's a STOVL capable aeroplane. That means short takeoff, vertical land. The idea behind this is that we will operate this off the Queen Elizabeth class carriers that we're buying at the moment, and they will use the ski jump to take off in a short takeoff mode, and then when we come back to the ship we'll vertically land. Now, unlike the Sea Harrier, which had a single engine, the F35B Lightning II has 2 engines. The main engine at the back, which you can see the exhaust here, is used for an up and away flight, but also provides around about half the thrust when we land back on the ship. When we want to land on the ship, these large doors under here open up, and this nozzle, through some very clever engineering, will rotate and swivel and can point directly down, move slightly side to side, and also point aft. That gives us thrust control whilst over the ship in the vertical mode. Other elements to the aircraft help us to also control the aeroplane while we're in flight. For primary roll control, door here and one on the other side also open, and these provide thrust to allow the aeroplane control in roll. Much like in the Harrier, however, they were smaller ducts and they were located on the wingtips. As you'll notice, these are completely concealed when we're flying around normally for the aircraft to maintain its low observable characteristics. The unique configuration with the F-35B, however, is the lift fan at the front. Behind there is a lift fan. There's a door on the top which opens up to approximately 65 degrees when we slow down the aeroplane, and below 2 more large doors open up below the aeroplane to allow the exhaust to come out. This provides approximately the other 50% of the thrust that keeps the aircraft in the air. So very different to the Harrier. Whilst it can hover, the beauty of this aeroplane is that all of this closes up, and the aeroplane then turns into a supersonic low observable fighter.